Mallory bodies of the liver. Today, we're going to talk about Mallory bodies, also known as Mallory-Denk bodies, which are important microscopic findings in liver pathology. What are Mallory bodies of liver? Mallory bodies are also known as Mallory-Denk bodies. They are characteristic eosinophilic inclusions found within the cytoplasm of liver cells, hepatocytes. Mallory bodies are considered a hallmark of liver damage. Their presence suggests that the liver cells have undergone significant stress or injury. Their presence can be a sign of irreversible liver cell injury. What do Mallory bodies indicate? Classic association. Historically, Mallory bodies were first discovered in patients with alcoholic hepatitis. Because of this, they were long considered to be specific markers of alcohol-related liver damage. Other liver diseases. However, we now know that Mallory bodies are present in a range of liver diseases, not just those caused by alcohol. These include non-alcoholic steatohepatitis. This is a form of liver disease associated with obesity and metabolic disorders. Primary biliary cirrhosis. A chronic liver disease characterized by inflammation and destruction of bile ducts. Cholestatic liver diseases. Conditions where bile flow from the liver is obstructed. Hepatocellular carcinoma. The most common type of primary liver cancer. Wilson's disease. This genetic disorder can also cause the formation of Mallory bodies. What is the structure of Mallory bodies? Under the microscope, Mallory bodies appear as an irregular, rope-like, or granular inclusions within the cytoplasm of hepatocytes. They have a hyaline appearance under a microscope, typically staining pink or red with hematoxylin and eosin staining. These bodies are composed of aggregates of damaged intermediate filaments, specifically cytokeratins, within the liver cell cytoplasm. They are thought to result from cellular damage and stress, leading to misfolding and aggregation of cytokeratins within the hepatocyte cytoplasm. These cytokeratins are primarily cytokeratins 8 and 18, which are part of the cell's structural support network. In conclusion, Mallory bodies serve as microscopic markers of serious liver injury. Recognizing them is key to understanding and diagnosing liver diseases. Thank you for your attention.